Presenting the 2011 BMW 1 Series 135i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include climate control, sun roof, power door locks, front side airbag, steering wheel audio controls, rain sensing wipers, power steering, headlights auto leveling, and daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.